Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal attorney, San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. Let's see here. This has to do with a DUI and attempted murder. Murder, attorney, Oakland. Murder, lawyer, Oakland. Criminal lawyer, Oakland. Let's see. I was arrested for driving drunk. I went to my wife's job. We argued, and she jumped out of the car while it was moving. The police arrived, and I was arrested. Well, first of all, if this is a description of the actual events, well, then obviously there's no attempted murder, because murder is the unlawful killing of a human being with malice aforethought. And if you don't succeed, well, then it's an attempted murder under Penal Code Section 187/664, which carries up to 25 years to life in state prison. But if there are witnesses showing that who can attest to the fact that they saw her jump out on her own, that you weren't attacking her with a gun or knife or anything like that, and she just voluntarily jumped out, well, then that should take care of the attempted murder issue right there, which is the most serious issue, I would add. Now, regarding the DUI, it says right here you drank a couple of beers, but how much did you drink? And I also need to know how much you weigh, because depending on how much you drank and how much you weigh, that would determine how high your blood alcohol level would be, roughly, give or take. And if for some reason your blood alcohol level is below the 0.08 mark, well, then the DA would have to show that, at the very least, that the alcohol was impeding your ability to safely operate the motor vehicle. Now, let's say hypothetically your wife jumped out of the car and you tried to run her over. Well, okay, well, that would be a situation where you would legitimately be charged with an attempted murder. Sometimes in these situations, I have been able to get the attempted murder charge reduced to a Penal Code Section 245(a)(1), which is assault with a deadly weapon, which is far less in terms of punishment. Of course, if there's no evidence, there's nothing to show that that you did this on purpose, you were just driving, you may have been having an argument with your wife and she decided to jump out, well, then in a situation like that, well, then your case should potentially go to a jury trial where they should be able to look at all the evidence. There should be an investigator who obviously speaks to all of the witnesses to create enough reasonable doubt in the mind of a potential jury so that a conviction for attempted murder can be avoided at all costs. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Remember, 1-800-862-7677. We represent people throughout the entire Bay Area. Attempted murder lawyer, attempted murder attorney, criminal lawyer, Oakland, criminal attorney, Oakland.